Uh, Today I'm gonna show you how to use the MuseScore application to compose the song that you love to play. This is the MuseScore.com. You can download this online in the website. Okay. So to start with, we have to click on this button with T. So when we click this one, there will be menu bar will show up to you like this, and you're going to type your title here, uh, type the composer. If you're the one who made the song, you can put your name. So since I'm like making a song that is a ready-made song, so make sure if you have there's also a copyrighted here, so you can also emphasize here in all the title. So I have here a free ready-made. So I think I need to show you how to do it. So say for example, I'm gonna make a new one. So still, the title is still sweeter every day, and then this composer name, and then the the, the words or the lyricist, and there's no copyright to the song that I'm going to compose. So I'm going to click continue. You can choose a grand staff if you would like to use a piano. So there is also a grand staff over here. So since I'm going to use, I want to use a chamber music for my composition. So I click chamber music. You can choose string quartet or wind quartet, and whatsoever you prefer to use. So I use the wind quartet. So I want the wind quartet to for my composition. So click continue, and you have to choose your time signature. I mean the key signature. As you can see here, you can see the key signature on the right, on the left side. So the key signature of my song is B flat major. So I'm gonna click that one and click continue. And of course, you have to set up your time signature. So the time signature will be 4/4. So that will be, so it has no change at all. Duration 1 to 4. Okay, that's fine. And the measures, the standard measure is 32. So I will just leave it like this. The tempo is 120. So that is the standard tempo for the song. So I'm gonna just click done. So once you click done, so I'm going to exit with this. Once you click done, you will see this one. So this is a page view. So you're gonna enter your notes in here. So take note, this is quite different from the grand staff, because the grand staff has two staves only, but this one has a 4 staves, because I'm going to put notes on the notes that being played by the flute, oboe, clarinet, B flat clarinet, and bass and bassoon. But in the grand staff, for the piano only, there will be a 2 staves where you can put your. So let me just show you an example of the grand staff. So let me just click on here. So I have made this one. To God be the glory. Yeah, you see. So as you can see, so this is a grand staff. which is two steps only. So the upper portion will be the soprano, alto, and this one is the tenor and the bass. So this is the grand stop. So since I'm not using this grand stop, I'm using this chamber music, which is wind quartet, which is flute, oboe. So I have four steps in here. All right, so let's start putting on our notes. Okay. All right, so we're gonna start putting the notes. So you can zoom it out so that you can see it clearly. You can zoom out and zoom in. Okay, you can also click the. You can change also the view. You can choose the continue view so you can see the continuous stave. Now, since okay, so let's start. So usually, what I did is I'm putting all the notes or composing the song. I'm putting the notes first on the soprano, which is the first day, the first staff. So there are shortcuts in the keyboards, but I can show you here. Okay, you can click the notes here. This N is stand for notes. Okay, so you can click what type of notes you need. So for example, so I need the eighth note. So I'm gonna place in here. So and then for the oboe is also the same as F. And then for the clarinet is in the D, and the bassoon is the same. No, is in the F. So something like that. So if you don't need to use the notes, you can just uh, hit letter N in the keyboards, or you can click this with your mouse. So I need to remove this one, this rest symbol, because I need only the first notes in front. Okay. So the next one is so you need to click again the notes, and then okay, so I need the eighth notes again. So I'm going to place in here. So if you need the dotted note, so you have to click this one. So it, it, it will turn into a dotted note, dotted eighth note, and then something like this. Okay. So it's quite easy to put these notes on the staff using your mouse, or if you have a Bluetooth. Uh, I'm now using my touchpad. You can use your mouse. Um, all right. So I need to change my note. I need the 16th note. So I'm going to place in this and here, in here, and this one. Okay. So after that, um, you can compose your song. So let me just show you an example of a finished song I have made earlier. So I have done the I know whom I have believed. So take a look at this one. So this one is in a continuous view. Okay. So I have placed all the notes on each stave. Okay, so on the left side of these apps, you can let's say for example this it's crescendo or this crescendo I mean. So you can see those symbol that you need. Okay, so you only have to do is to, okay, let us zoom it out. If you need to put this symbol, which is uh, the dimiendo, okay, or the crescendo, okay, so you have to click the notes where do you need this symbol to put, and then this symbol will be coming here. Okay, so it's simply like that. All right, so my song is quite long because I have like uh, 4 verses. So what I did is I just put all the notes, but you can also copy and paste the notes. So say for example, at the end, it's quite long. At the end, you can click this one, and then you can uh, you can add or you can use this mouse. So you can click the add, okay, on the top of your computer, and then this thing will come out, and then you choose the append one measure. Okay, so and then you go to the first note. Then you can just hold the shift and then click it, and then copy it, and then paste it to this portion, and then command paste, something like that. So since we don't need this rest, so we need to remove it. Then after that, you can actually simply copy all the notes. So we start with the same notes that we have copied until the end of the section of this song. So copy, Control C, and then click here. So this is where we're gonna paste the new notations. So paste, there you go. So you have pasted it. So since you don't need this rest, so you need to erase it. So it's very simple. Okay, so let me just try to play. If you would like to play, if you would like to hear your composition, you can compose this one. So just click the first note, the very first note, and then click the space bar. There you go. So there I have composed it already, and after that you can go to this iCloud icon. Then you can save your composition to MuseScore.com rather, and then you can even upload this in the YouTube. In the YouTube, you can also upload this. I have an example of the uh, YouTube. You, I have uploaded to YouTube, so I can show it to you here just for a while. Okay, I will go to the YouTube to my YouTube channel. So once you have uploaded it, you will have this. So this is the example of the YouTube channel. that is an example of the YouTube channel. So let's go back to music. Alright, so I hope that you have learned. Next time I'm gonna show you more how you're gonna use the MuseScore.com.